Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Are you tired of missing the biggest moves in the market? Well, in this video, I'm just going to review the best breakout indicators on TradingView that can help you spot explosive moves before they happen. All right, let's just jump right into it. Now, breakouts are one of the most powerful trading strategies out there. Whether you are a Forex trader, a crypto enthusiast, or stock market trader, mastering breakouts can take your trading to a whole new level. But here's the thing, not all breakouts are created equal, and not every indicator can catch them accurately. And that is the reason why in this video, I am showing you the best breakout indicators, or at least some of them, on TradingView that actually work. Now, the first indicator we are going to be looking at is the super trend indicator. All right, the super trend indicator. Now, this is not just for trends. This indicator, yes, it is true that the name is super trend, but it is not just for trend, okay? It's also a fantastic tool for catching breakouts. Now, when price action crosses above or below the super trend, when price action crosses above or below the super trend, it often signals the start of a strong move. You can customize the settings slightly. You can actually customize the settings slightly to fit your favorite pairs or time frames for even sharper entries, right? Basically, when the price is trading above the super trend line, when the super trend line is green and you have price trading above the super trend line, you watch out for price action. When it finally breaks out below the green line, that could be a good opportunity to enter a sell trade, because that is a breakout, right? That is a breakout. You can see even a trend line supports the fact that a breakout occurred. Likewise, price initially trading below the super trend line while the super trend line is red, and then you notice that it breaks above it. That's a breakout. You can be looking for a good bullish opportunity, and you can see that the price went up. Now, the next indicator we are going to be talking about is the volume profile. All right, the volume profile. Okay, I'm trying to look for. Okay, let's add the volume profile indicator to the chart. Now, breakouts are fueled, or rather, breakouts that are fueled by high volume tend to be the real deal. Okay, so volume profile can help you to see where trading volume has been concentrated. So you can identify important support and resistance levels. When price breaks through these high volume zones, the zones where the volume was particularly high, when price breaks through such levels, you know that it is time to pay attention. Okay, it's time to pay attention. So you have to watch out for price reaction around areas where volume was high. Okay, so basically that is it. Now, the next indicator we are going to look at, we're going to be looking at support and resistance indicator. It's an automatic support and resistance indicator. This one automatically maps out key levels where price is likely to struggle. Okay, so basically when you see price smashing through these levels with momentum, you've likely spotted a breakout opportunity. All right, now next I'm gonna talk about the squeeze momentum indicator. All right, this indicator shows when volatility is contracting and ready to expand. A squeeze release often results in a big breakout move, giving you an early heads up before it happens. All right, so basically when using this indicator, you should watch out for the position of the histogram bars with respect to the zero level. When the green bars start declining and you notice a flip from green to red, it could be that a breakout from a bullish trend to the downside. For example, this is a bullish trend line. A breakout from a bullish trend line could be incoming. Likewise, when you notice the red flip to the green, it could mean that a breakout to the upside, it could be a bullish reversal, it could be just a break of structure within the trend. So you have to pay attention to price action. All right. Now, the last but not the least, let us look at the breakout detector. All right. So this is the breakout detector indicator. Okay, this custom indicator is designed specifically to identify and highlight potential breakout points based on price action patterns, based on historical price action patterns. Super clean and super effective. Now, here is a bonus tip for you. Do not just rely on one indicator. All right, you can stack them together. For example, you can watch for a super trend cross happening maybe near a key resistance level identified by the auto support and resistance indicator, maybe confirm with the volume profile indicator and all of that. You don't have to use all the indicators at once. Okay, I'm just saying you can actually combine indicators. You can decide to pick two, you can decide to use one. It's your choice. Okay, so if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to smash that like button right now. It really helps push this content out to more traders just like you. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I drop fresh trading videos every day, or at least on intervals. Okay, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're always first to catch new uploads. Thank you for watching. Stay sharp, stay patient, and I'll catch you in the next one.